Welcome, in front of me is a BQ Aquaris V, and today I'll show you how to get into recovery mode. So, to start off, you will need to power off the device. This is that by holding the power button and tap on power off, and okay. Now once the device is off, right about now, you will hold power button and volume up together. So let's do that. Okay, you can let go now. And you're now in recovery mode. So from here you can basically reboot back into the normal mode, reboot into bootloader, apply updates, do a factory wipe, and a couple other things. And navigate, you will use the volume buttons to go up and down, and confirm it with power button, like so. I'm just gonna reboot back into a normal system. So that is how you get into recovery mode. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.